Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where we're all about taking your garden to the next level. Today, we're shining a spotlight on sunflowers, their bold blooms and nutritious seeds. Let's begin by understanding what makes sunflowers special and how you can get started. Sunflowers are not only stunning with their vibrant blooms, but they're also versatile plants that offer many benefits. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, provide edible seeds packed with nutrients, and even offer stalks that can be used for crafts and trellising. With these amazing benefits, they're a must-have addition to any garden. Choosing the right sunflower variety is key to a successful harvest. Tall varieties. For dramatic height and showy blooms, try Russian Mammoth or Giant Gray Stripe. These can reach up to 12 feet. Dwarf varieties. Ideal for small gardens or containers, varieties like Teddy Bear or Little Becca stay under 3 feet tall. Edible varieties. For the best seeds, plant Mammoth Gray Stripe or Giganteus. They offer large, flavorful seeds perfect for snacking. Now that you've chosen your variety, it's time to plant. Location. Choose a sunny spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Soil preparation. Sunflowers thrive in well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Add compost to enrich the soil. Planting seeds. Sow seeds directly into the ground after the last frost. Plant them 1 inch deep and 6 inches apart, with rows spaced about 2-3 feet apart. Watering. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, especially during germination. Once the seedlings are established, sunflowers are fairly drought-tolerant. Support. If growing tall varieties, support the stems with stakes to prevent them from breaking in strong winds. Maintaining sunflowers is simple. Weeding and mulching. Keep the area around the plants weed-free and use mulch to retain moisture. Watering and fertilizing. Water deeply but infrequently, and use a balanced fertilizer to support growth. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and caterpillars. Use natural methods like insecticidal soap or introduce beneficial insects. When it comes to harvesting, timing is key. Signs of readiness. Sunflower seeds are ready to harvest when the petals have fallen and the back of the head turns brown and dry. Harvesting method. Cut the flower heads, leaving a foot of stem attached. Hang the heads upside down in a dry, well-ventilated area, covering them with a paper bag to catch any falling seeds. Extracting seeds. Once fully dried, rub the flower head gently to dislodge the seeds. They should come out easily if fully ripe. Sunflower seeds make a nutritious and delicious snack. Roasting. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse the seeds thoroughly and spread them evenly on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt for seasoning. Roast for 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even toasting. Flavor variations. Experiment with different seasonings like garlic powder, paprika, ranch mix, or cinnamon for a sweet twist. Sunflower seeds can also be eaten raw. Simply remove the shells, wash the seeds, and enjoy. Storing seeds. Allow the seeds to cool completely before transferring them to an airtight container. They can be stored at room temperature for up to a week or frozen for up to 6 months. From planting the seeds to enjoying a fresh snack, sunflowers are a delightful addition to your garden and kitchen. Thanks for joining Urban Garden Republic on this sunflower journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening guides and culinary inspiration. Happy gardening and happy snacking!